everyone, welcome to HUAWEI USG6000 Hardware Installation and Maintenance Multimedia course. In this course, we will learn how to replace a fan module, the USG6650, USG6660, USG6670, and USG6680 provides an independent fan module for ventilation. The fan module contains multiple fans. If one fan fails, replace the entire fan module immediately, otherwise, system ventilation is affected. Other USG6000 models do not have independent fan modules. If their built-in fan fails, the entire device must be repaired. If the green indicator blinks every 2 seconds, the fan module runs properly. If the green indicator blinks 4 times per second, the fan module does not communicate with the device. If the red indicator blinks, the fan module fails. If the device has any of the following fan fault reminders, you are advised to replace the fan module. Before replacement, you need to prepare tools and understand these precautions. Next, we'll show you how to replace a fan module. Loose 2 screws on the fan module. Hold the handlers to pull the fan module out of the chassis for a little bit. Remove the fan module slightly from the chassis after all fans stop running. Insert the fan module along the guide rail of the fan slot, until the back of the fan module gets in good contact with the chassis backplane. Fasten the screw on the fan module. After the device is powered on, the FAN status indicator should blink green every 2 seconds. Log into the web UI. Choose Dashboard System Information, and check whether FAN status is normal.